How to claim a product warranty from JB Hi-Fi via mobile. Welcome! In this guide, we'll show you how to claim a product warranty from JB Hi-Fi using your mobile device. Let's get started. Begin by launching the app, or if you don't have it installed, open your mobile browser and go to jbhifi.com.au. Log into your account to access your purchases. Tap the menu icon, usually found at the top right corner. Select My Account from the drop-down. This is where you'll manage your orders and warranty claims. Within your account, go to Order History or My Purchases. Look through your list of past purchases and tap on the product you want to make a warranty claim for. Tap on the order to view its full details. Here you can check whether the item is still under warranty and access relevant support options. If your product is eligible, you may see a Request Warranty or Need Help button. Tap it to begin the warranty claim process through the JB Hi-Fi support. You'll be prompted to fill in a form with key details such as the issue with the product, your contact information, and proof of purchase. Some claims may require uploading a photo of the item or receipt. Once you've completed the form, double-check your information, then tap Submit. You should receive a confirmation message or email acknowledging your claim. After submitting, a JB Hi-Fi customer service representative will review your claim and contact you. Depending on the warranty, they may offer a repair, replacement, or refund.